Hello friends and welcome to another video of how to, and today we are showing you how to tie your tie. And hopefully today's video you can find many different ways to tie your tie in different ways. You can knot your tie in different styles and designs, and some are very easy and very useful tricks and tips you can watch in this video. There are some different style and designs. You can tie your tie in very different style and designs. This is a very simple and very common knot. So friends, I hope you will like all the ideas today we are sharing. This is second style. You can just cross the tie around your neck and you can make a different style of necktie knot in a very stylish way. This is a very simple black tie with white shirt, and you can make the bow tie in different colors and different styles. This is another very beautiful style of necktie, and next we are sharing third style. Just cross your tie around the neck and just make simple steps and you are done. And this is another very simple and very stylish tie knot idea, and I hope you can try and make this perfectly at home. There are very different and several ways to tie your necktie in very simple and very easy way. This is an other way of professional necktie tie ideas, and this is very professional and formal wear. You can make this necktie tie knot in formal wear, and this is very simple and easy but very stylish and very attractive. This is very bright looking red tie with white shirt, and you can watch this yellow tie, bright yellow silk tie. You can tie a knot with very simple and easy steps. So friends, hopefully you will like all the style and designs, and you can try all the designs at your home. So please comment in comment section and tell us which kind of style and design you like most. This is another idea, very beautiful and very simple idea to tie a tie knot, and you can practice it at your home. There are many style and kinds of necktie knots. Learning how to tie a tie is a rite of passage for every gentleman, and it certainly matters even more so if you are an aspiring dapper gentleman. So you have bought that tie you had your eyes set on for a while and are ready to wear it. Maybe you have worn it to work and now you want to put it on casually. Or maybe you have worn it to a semi formal event but now need to wear it to an all important presentation. Before de- delving in, feel free to view this video by how to, and you can watch how to tie a perfect tie knot. There are many kind of tie knot style, such as 4 in hand knot, or dark knot, half Windsor knot, full Windsor knot, the Pratt Shelby knot, simple knot or oriental knot, Calvin knot, Prince Albert knot, novelty tie knot, the Trinity knot, or you can make a bow tie. This is very simple and easy bow tie idea. Balthus knot, and you can repeat all the process in our video. This is a simple Windsor knot, and you can make this knot very easy and simple way. So friends, hope you will like all the ideas and styles. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this